Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Vamsi and I am going to teach you AutoCAD step by step from zero level to expert level. Whether you are a student or a beginner or preparing for a job, this course will really help you. So let's begin. Okay. First, what is AutoCAD? AutoCAD is a computer aided design software. It is used in different fields like architecture, civil engineering, mechanical, and electrical. With AutoCAD, you can create 2D drawings and also 3D models. That's why AutoCAD is one of the most popular design software in the world. Okay. Now let's open AutoCAD. You might be using any version like 2022, 23, or 24. Don't worry, almost all every version looks like the same and works. The commands also work same way. Okay, there is no major difference between these versions, but very similar and small updates like that only. Okay. And the first thing when you open AutoCAD, so this is the opening screen of AutoCAD. Here the option is for starting the drawing. If you are starting a new drawing, we can use this option. And next, open files. If you are already saved a file, a drawing file, and if you want to open that particular drawing, so you can click on open files and you can go to the wherever you have saved your file, then we can use this option. Okay, so now let's start with a new drawing here. Okay. Mm. So this is called the interface of the AutoCAD. Okay, so this is the interface of the AutoCAD. On top left, we have uh, a symbol like AutoCAD or Autodesk icon type here. So this is called application menu, where we can have the options like new, open, save as, import, export, publish, print, and some extra options here. Okay. And next to it, we have the quick access toolbar. So this is called the quick access toolbar. Here again, we have simple tools like save and undo, redo, print, save as, same like similar to these options always. Okay. And the next thing we have here, so this minimize, maximize, close option, and we have sign in here. And this is here we'll have our drawing name actually. So it is showing version here and then drawing one dot dwg, or so if you save the drawing in a particular name, so will get our drawing name here. Okay. And next, so in AutoCAD interface, at the top we have the ribbon bar. So this is called the ribbon bar, which have the home button, insert, annotate, parametric, view, manage, output. So this is called the ribbon bar. Inside each button will have many more options like drawing tools, modification tools, annotation tools, layers, block properties, etc. So we'll go in deep individually in other video. So we're going to make a video particularly on the drawing tools only, so you can go deeply line command, how to draw line, how what are the methods to draw a line, and where we can use the line, and the same polyline, how to draw, where to draw, and the different methods inside the polyline. So we can go deeply inside the drawing tools in a different video. Okay, so in this video we'll go up like introduction to the AutoCAD interface. Okay, and drawing tools, modification tools, and so this is called the ribbon bar. Okay, and the black screen in the center of our drawing area, this is like our sheet of paper where we actually draw our drawing or whatever modification. So everything will be in this black screen only. Okay, and at the bottom the most important thing is command bar. Okay, so even I will explain about this command bar deeply further. So in this heart of AutoCAD, every command we type and every instruction we give to AutoCAD will appear here only. Okay, whether it is a line drawing or drawing a line or circle or whatever the command we use, it may be drawing commands or modification, annotation, whatever. So everything we command AutoCAD, that command will appear here only. Okay, so basically, this command bar is used in a three types. The one is input method. So we can give line command L enter or C enter like for circle, whatever input. Okay, if you want to do something and you can, if you want to command your AutoCAD, so all the commands will be appear here only. So the first option from this command line is input, and next thing is, so if you have anything shape or whatever, so if you want some particular details, so it will give output as well. So we can have area, perimeter, and the coordinations x, y, z at 4 points. So each corner it will give the coordinates. So at point A, point B, point C, point D. Okay. And so this is worked as a input and output, and sometimes not the sometimes but the every time it will store our work. So whatever we did from the starting and end of the day, so it will store every command and every result and every output, everything in this command bar. Okay, so this is the important thing, and this is called the heart of the AutoCAD. Okay, so however we have our thoughts and memories, everything in our heart, the AutoCAD will also have the same way. Okay, so this is command line is uh, heart of the AutoCAD. And finally, the bottom right, so we have the status bar. So this is called the status bar. Here you can turn on, turn off tools like some helpful tools like Ortho, Grid, and Snap Mode, and Line Weight Display. So some etc. Here, so if you want to draw a straight line, so you might get inclined lines and you can't draw properly the straight line. So when you turn on the ortho mode, so it will block your cursor into a straight lines. So you can't draw a inclined line. See, even if I'm clicking on the inclined direction, so it is taking as a straight line only. Okay, right. So to turn off, turn on quickly, so we can use this status bar, and we have shortcuts in the form of function keys like F1, F2 to F12 keys. So we can manage or we can turn on, turn off these options by using function keys, and that will also I will explain in further video. And again, so here when you add a drawing, so it will automatically add a tab like this: drawing 5, drawing 6, 7, 8, 9. So it will here we can see our drawing sheets. Okay, right. So this is called the interface of the AutoCAD. Mm, So it is like just introduction to the AutoCAD software only. So now we'll from the next video we'll go to drawing commands, and we can go as much as deeper how we can understand how we'll work on this each command at a time. Okay.